what does it mean for small business owners in the UK right now, and how is it potentially affecting them as we speak?
A lot of the rules, in essence, that were brought in are pretty similar to things that were in place anyway. The problem was that the Data Protection Act wasn't really being enforced, and it wasn't as public, I suppose. In essence, didn't really serve its purpose. And everyone knows, everyone haven't they, the cold calls. I'm a practicing solicitor. I grew up, I suppose, in the law in the Northwest, doing claims and civil litigation. We all know about the cold call on PPI, RTA, everyone's at them. So everyone can completely understand why data was of such importance at that level, and cold call and nuisance calls. But then at the other end of the scale, and you're seeing stuff come out in the press today about Amazon, Google, loads of stuff to do with private health services, data being sold, information being sold, and everything's gone on with Cambridge Analytics, all sorts of stuff.
The Boost Hospitality Podcast. We're in season 7, episode 8, and today we're talking about GDPR. Before we start, I want to thank the podcast sponsors, Hostfully. Hostfully help you design digital guidebooks that will wow your guests. Check out Paula Butler's Cockington Cottages. She's been using them, and she's told me personally that her guests have commented on how good her guidebook is. Now, you can go get started for free with one guidebook. When you want to upgrade, make sure you hit Boostly2M into the promo code for 2 months free. Now on to this episode. Here's what we're going to talk about today. I've got Sean Rogers from My Legal Club. My Legal Club is a fantastic new service that is a one-stop shop for all of your legal and accountancy services. Sean is a very clever guy, and he's on the ball and on the point with all things GDPR. He's going to introduce himself, a bit more about My Legal Club, and then we're going to delve into the topics, which is some of the core basics that you need to be doing a year on since it become law in the UK and Europe. We're going to talk about emails, talk about your website. Make sure you stick around to the end, because they are doing a free assessment for your business for everything GDPR related. So go to boostly.co.uk/mylegalclub to check out more about the free assessment. Really happy to feature him on there. Sean's a great guy, and I really recommend that you check it out in full. As always, please make sure you rate, review, and subscribe. Without further ado, please sit back and relax.
Yeah, my name's Sean Rogers. I'm based in Merseyside. Currently, I'm in London, waiting for my train home this evening. I founded a company called My Legal Club. We are soon to be launching 3 other services. So we have My Legal Club, which is like a B2C sort of personal, individual, one-stop shop for legal solutions. In essence, any issues in your personal life. We cover everything: divorce, probate, conveyancing, you name it. We also then have a number of business offerings, where we have the Business Services Club. That's free to use, and any businesses that need anything, working capital, an accountant, web design, graphic design, insurance, ELPL insurance, you name it. We try and service every business need with an accredited panel. I know myself, having a beauty parade of all the services you need for any business can be difficult, time consuming. So we've put together an accredited panel of ours, which we think deliver a great sweet spot on service and price. So people can get free no obligation quotes via the Business Services Club. And then we'll be launching an employee benefits product. And we'll also be launching a business legal solution called the Business Legal Club for like any HR needs crop up. And we're looking to provide some GDPR support and solutions within the Business Service Club.
What does it mean for small business owners in the UK right now, and how is it potentially affecting them as we speak?
A lot of the rules, in essence, that were brought in are pretty similar to things that were in place anyway. The problem was that the Data Protection Act wasn't really being enforced, and it wasn't as public, I suppose. In essence, didn't really serve its purpose. And everyone knows, everyone haven't they, the cold calls. I'm a